Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Smocare kit. So you should use this kit or not. Is this really worthy for you? Does it really work? So in this video we will talk about each and every information. So let's get started. The first thing I want to show you the platform, or you can say the website, is 3 months from now, and this is a very newly launched you can say brand, Smocare. So this product is used for basically quitting your smoking you can say habit. So is this really worthy? So the thing is, I want to show you, like you can see there are lots of options available on amazon.com. Like you can use their product and you can stop your smoking you can say habit. Okay, and you can also see there are lots of product available with at a very low cost. So you are going to get actual product which is looking like this one. Okay, so these all are same product, and you can use any alternate method, like you can use any Amazon product. All products are you can say same. And if we talk about the problems of Smocare, the first problem of the Smocare is if you purchase the product and the product will not work for you, in that case you cannot return your product and you cannot get your money back. And if we talk about if you go with amazon.com, then you can make a return of your product very easily and you can get your money back. Okay, so these are the things. Now you can make your own decision where you are going to invest your money and where you should invest your money. Okay, so you know very well. Okay, so in the terms of you can say presentation and all, the product is looking on an average. You can see the ratings of the product is on an average. So you can share your experience by using only. We cannot say anything without using the product is really worthy for you or not. But we can definitely say you should go with amazon.com, and on amazon.com you can get the product very easily and you can return the product very easily. Okay, so if you are agree, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video my dear friends. Bye bye.